Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right, extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses are Nicky, Wakito, Baby, Tilda, hee hee. Unzips your baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes you, nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me. Gotta hit him with this first shit. You don't see it coming.
Day 5. It has officially been 5 days in a row of Misfire. I think I need a new hardest. I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna keep doing this for as long as I can. Anyways. What? Did I just get the rare soggy? Is that like a 1 in like 20 gazillion? I've never gotten that. Oh, it's like kind of rare.